Dear students, in this class we are going to discuss few problems in discrete random variable. See the first problem. A random variable x takes the following probability distribution. The probability distribution is given. Actually, what is the probability distribution? If you are writing that x and p of x value in the table format, that is called the probability distribution. The probability distribution is given. What is x here? -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then respective probability of x values are given. We have to find that value of k. Second one is that evaluate p of x less than 2 and the probability of -2 less than x less than 2. Third one is find the CDF of x. Last one is evaluate mean of x. Everything is familiar except that last one. Evaluate that mean of x. You know that mean. What is mean? Average. I give the formula for to find the average here. You can write as a note. Mean or average of random variable x. It is denoted by x bar or mu or e of x. What is mean by e of x here? Expected value of x or expectation of x. So what are the notations for that mean? Mean or average or expected value. All are same. Here the notations are either you can write x bar, already you have seen in that unit 1, finding that arithmetic mean, that is a notation x bar mu, or e of x we can write that. E of x means expected value of x. The formula is summation of I equal to 1 to infinity x into p of x. Otherwise we can write here x suffix I p of xi, because I am writing here I equal to 1 to infinity xi p of xi. We know the x value and then p of x value, and then multiply that x and p of x, then you add that x and p of x, you will get the mean value. Okay, we will solve that one by one now. First subdivision is find k value. How to find k value? By using that one property of that probability mass function. What are the probability mass function conditions? One is probability always greater than 0. Second one is summation of all the probability equal to 1. We are using the second condition, summation of all probability equal to 1. To find k, first we have to write that summation of p equal to 1. So these are the probabilities given. Add all the value, we will get that 0.1 plus k, 0.2 plus 2k plus 0.3 plus 3k equal to 1. Add this, we will get 0.6 plus 6k equal to 1. Therefore 6k equal to 1 minus 0.6, that is 0.4. So k equal to 0.4 by 6. That means 4 by 16. K equal to 1 by 15. So once we get that k equal to 1 by 15, we can update this probability distribution value. So how to write that? X value, p of x value. X values are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then p of x values are, substituting that 1 by 15 in k, we will get that 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10. 1 by 15 is k, na? So k equal to 1 by 15. 0.2 is there. 2 by 10, 2 by 15, 3 by 10, 3 by 15 is the updated probability distribution after finding the k value. Now, subdivision B. What is subdivision B here? Evaluate probability of x less than 2. Here I am writing subdivision B, probability of x less than 2. Probability of x less than 2 means -2, -1, 0, 1. 4 values are there. Instead of this, we can write one more point here. Write the note. Probability of x less than a, which is equal to probability of 1 minus probability of x greater than equal to a. Probability of x less than a equal to 1 minus probability of x greater than equal to a when x is the discrete random variable. When x is the discrete random variable. For the continuous random variable, the rule will be changed. So, probability of x less than 2 means 1 minus probability of x greater than or equal to 2. Therefore, you will get that 1 minus probability of x greater than or equal to 2 means equal to 2 and greater than 2. What are the values are there? 2 and 3. Therefore, probability of x equal to 2, 3. That is equal to 1 minus 3 by 10 plus 3 by 15. We will get that 1 by 2. This value is 1 by 2. In the same question, one more subdivision is there. Probability of -2 less than x less than 2. Probability of -2 less than x less than 2. So that is equal to probability of -2 less than x less than 2. So exclude that -2 and +2. What are the values are there in between -2 and +2? -1, 0, 1. -1, 0, 1. So we have to add this probabilities value 2 by 10 plus 2 by 15 plus 3 by 10. 2 by 10. So 1 by 15 is that is equal to 2 by 5. Next we are going to find that the CDF value f of x. What is the CDF? CDF is denoted by capital F of x. What is the definition? Capital F of x equal to probability of x less than or equal to x. Very simple method is, for the first one, for the CDF, from the probability, write only this value. Okay, many of them are get the confused whether they are going to use that x value. They are writing that -2 plus 1 here, -2 plus 1 plus 0 here. See, they are doing that cumulative frequency of x. It is not like that. You should not add that cumulative frequency of x. You have to add that cumulative value of p of x. So adding that, first value is 1 by 10. Second value, if you are adding that 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15, 1 by 6. Add that one more value, 1 by 16 plus 2 by 10, 11 by 30. Similarly, if you are adding that 11 by 30 plus 2 by 15, you will get that 1 by 2. Now add that 1 by 2 plus 3 by 10, you will get that 4 by 5. Final is the default. If you are adding all the probability value, that should be equal to 1. If you are getting this value equal to 1, then only your answer is correct. Otherwise, your calculation is wrong. Okay. Next, we are going to calculate that E of x value, mean value. The final one, final subdivision D. Expected value of x or mean of x. Mean of x. What is the formula? E of x equal to summation of x into p of x. So, if you are multiplying that x and p of x here, what you get? Minus 2 into 1 by 10 plus minus 1 into 1 by 15 plus 0, leave it, 1 into 2 by 15 plus 2 into 3 by 10 plus 3 into 3 by 15. Into 3 by 15. If you are multiplying this terms and then adding all the values, we will get that 16 by 15 is the answer for this. I want to give one more note in the discrete random variable. There is strictly less than for discrete random variable. What is called the strictly less than? Probability of x less than a is not equal to probability of x less than or equal to a. For example, probability of x less than 2 is not equal to probability of x less than or equal to 2. See here in the example, x less than 2 means minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. But x less than or equal to 2 means it includes 2 also. Okay, both are different. X less than 2 means what are the values here? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. But x less than or equal to 2 means 2 also added. So both of them is not equal. You have to concentrate in the point. Dear students, we are discussing the problems in discrete random variable. Second problem is, see that if the random variable x takes the values 1, 2, 3 and 4 such that 2 into probability of x equal to 1, which is equal to 3 into probability of x equal to 2. Probability of x equal to 3 is 5 into probability of x equal to 4. Find the probability distribution and also find the CDF of x. How to find? See the solution. What is given here? Given 2 into probability of x equal to 1, which is 3 into probability of x equal to 2, which is probability of x equal to 3, equal to probability of 5 into probability of x equal to 4. So here given that all the probabilities are equal. How can you say that it is all the probabilities are equal? Therefore, we have to equating some constant element. Common element we can take all the probabilities are equal to some k. Therefore, 2 into probability of x equal to 1, which is equal to k, which gives that probability of x equal to 1 is equal to k by 2. Similarly, 3 into probability of x equal to 2 is equal to k. Therefore, probability of x equal to 2 is k by 3. Probability of x equal to 3 is that is equal to 3. Last one is 5 into probability of x equal to 4, which is equal to k. Therefore, probability of x equal to 4 is k by 5. K by 5. Now, the last problem, already they have given the probability distribution, but in the problem we are going to write the probability distribution. So, what are the x values? Given that we take the value 1, 2, 3 and 4. What are the p of x values? Here k by 2, k by 3, k by 5. We know that by the property of probability mass function, summation of all the probability equal to 1. That implies k by 2 plus k by 3 plus k by 5 equal to 1. Taking that LCM for this 30. Numerator 15 k plus 20 plus 30k plus 60 equal to 1. Therefore, we are adding all this 25, 51, 61. 61 by 40. That is equal to 1. That implies k equal to 40 by 61. This is the value of k. After finding the value of k, you substitute the k equal to 30 by 61 in the probability distribution. What do you get? X value, p of x value 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are substituting k equal to 30 by 61, you will get that 15 by 61, 10 by 61, 30 by 61, 6 by 61. This is the first question. Find the probabilities. We go to the second question. You have to find the CDF of x. So, what is the CDF of x? CDF of x is f of x equal to probability of x less than or equal to x. That is a formula. You write that. Then afterwards, you extend this table. F of x equal to, add that probability 131, 15 by 61, 25 by 61, 50 by 61, finally is default 1. We can write the CDF in other format also. Simply we can write that the CDF like this. Otherwise, you have to write that when x less than 1, when x less than 1 there is no value, therefore cumulative frequency is 0, not yet started, x value not started. When 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. In the interval f of x equal to only one value is there, probability of x equal to 1, then that value is 15 by 61. Second value is when 2 less than or equal to x but it is less than 3. There are two values are there, x equal to 1, 2. If we are adding two probabilities, we get that 55 by 61. Similarly, for the third case, 3 less than or equal to x less than 4. Then how many values are there? 1, 2, 3 values are there. When you are adding the three probabilities, you get 50 by 61. Last one case is, there is no other way, probability of x equal to 4 or x greater than equal to 4. X greater than equal to 4, only one value is there. But when you are adding the probability, you have to add all the 4 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, equal, that is equal to